The second example, the axis of symmetry is along the diagonal of the graph paper. And now the blue line is here. So can we complete the figure with reflectional symmetry? Again, we focus on the vertex or the corners of the figure. So these 2 points, they lie on the mirror or the axis of symmetry then. And since these 2 points, they will just stay on the axis. So we can simply just leave it. We call this A, B, C, and so on. Now can we find the image of A on the right hand side of the axis of symmetry of the green line? And now let's find out the position of the point A on the right hand side of this green line. So where will be the image of A? Of course, we can draw a line in this way and measure this distance. So, but actually this length is quite difficult to be measured because the squares are not in the same direction. And even though we know that these 2 lines has to be equal, but it's quite difficult to judge. But we can make use of this blue line to help me to find the position of A on the right hand side, the image of A. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares from this point. So the image of A will be also 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares from this point. Let's call this X and Y. So A will be 6 squares from X. Therefore, this part will be A prime, the image of A on the right hand side. And therefore, we can make use of the same method to find the position of B and C. Let's start with C again. So C is 1, 2, 3 square from the point Y. Therefore, C prime, the image of C, will be here. And note that actually these 2 distance should be the same. The position of C from the mirror and its image from the mirror, they have to be the same. And finally, we can find the position of B. B will be 2 squares away from C in this direction. So think of this, B should be approximately right here. And then we just count 2 squares along this direction. This is B prime. B prime. And finally, we connect A prime and B prime. And now we have this figure with reflectional symmetry.